Hello students, how are you? Today I am going to teach you another poem from the English book, this book, okay. So this is a poem of chapter 7, page number 48, I use my words, okay. So let's start. This poem is written by Jamie Gerard, okay. So what is this poem is all about? In this poem, the poet has said in the first para that goodness I am angry. In the first para, the poet said about his angriness. He was feeling very angry. Okay, what makes me shout? And he was thinking of himself that why am I shouting? Why I am so angry? And stomp and wear a mean face. My face is like this. I am very much angry. Why? To let the anger out. I want to shout at my loud and want to express the angry. But why I am so much angry today? Instead, I use my words to say what I am mad about. He was thinking of himself that why I am so much mad about. Mad about here it is angry. Why I am so much angry today? Okay, then in the next para, that is from the in the second para, goodness, I am sad today. He said of himself that okay, first I was sad. In the second para, he said of himself that I am sad today. It makes me want to cry. What happens when we feel sad? What happens? We want to cry. We want to shed our tears from our eyes, isn't it? When mothers scold us or fathers scold us, we often cry and pout and whine and whimper. Pout means you know what is pouting, doing like this type of things. And he was telling that I want to complain and everyone about my sadness about then I want to make low crying. I want to means cry very slowly, very silently. I want to cry of myself. Then and sniffle, sob, and sigh. Sniffle means snip while crying and doing like this. Then cry with the sob means cry with a loud sound. Then to give out a deep breath. Then he was thinking that I want to take a deep breath while after crying. To tell everybody why, because he was telling that why I am sad today, why I wants to cry, why. Then in the third para, he wanted to say, he was telling that goodness, I am happy. Yes, in the third para, the poet was telling that I am happy. It makes me want to run. What happened when we feel happy? We all of you want to run. We want to go here. We want to go outside. We want to roam. Yes, isn't it? So in the third para, he was telling and go wild and act like crazy. Yes, when we feel happy, we want to be like crazy, doing this, doing that, doing gossiping, making fun, isn't it? Until the day is done. Whole until the day is done. Day is done means day is over. Means from the starting from the morning till night, I am feeling very happy. I want to do this. I want to do that. When we often feel happy, isn't it? We want to do these things. Instead, I use my words, and then we can all have fun. Yes. And in the last para, he was telling that when my feelings get too strong, I know it's time to say I will use my words to show how I feel in a safe and healthy way. Then in the last para, he was telling that when my angry, see, when I am angry, happy, and sad, these are all our feelings, isn't it? These are all our emotions. So in the last para, he was telling when my feelings are very strong, I know it's time to say I will use my words to show how I feel. When we want to say words, we are describing our feelings through these words, isn't it? And in a safe and healthy way. When we feel happy, we are using happy word. When we are feeling sad, we are using the word sad. When we are feeling angry, we are using the word angry. So this poem is all about our emotions. So what we understand from this poem, that when we feel happy, when we feel angry, or whatever we feel from inside, we are always describing it through some words, isn't it? But he was telling that he was telling of himself that why these feelings are coming on inside me, these are our feelings, isn't it? So we all have our feelings inside ourselves. When we feel happy, we express through our feelings. When we feel angry, we shout. When we feel sad, we often cry. When we feel happy, we run, we rush, isn't it? So like this way, the poet is also very much happy, very much angry when these things are happening with him. Okay, so this is a very nice poem. We will go through this video, we will watch my video, we will go through this, and you will understand. Okay, up to this for today. We will meet with another day on the next day. Okay, bye bye.